In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right PicCollage video and photo editor app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to get PicCollage app on your Android smartphone is pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for this Play Store app on your phone. It should be somewhere there, or it may be under Google Tools. Make sure you find it. Once you have found it, go ahead and tap on it, and then you should see we have a search bar here, or another one here. If you can see this one, go ahead and tap on it, and then just search for the name like that, and search by tapping on this icon. And now you can see we have our PicCollage photo video editor. To know that it is the right app, make sure it is from Cardinal Blue Software, and this is the logo of this app currently on Google Play Store. And currently the app has a star rating of 4.7 with over 1 million reviews. And currently this app has over 100 million downloads with a file size of 58 MBs in average. To get it, tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of PicCollage app on your smartphone, and then it will be installed. Once it has been installed, you can now proceed from here to open it, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see it here. Go ahead and tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface for PicCollage app. So that's how you can download and install the right PicCollage app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.